Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to hide where you're logged in on Instagram, using simple steps anyone can follow. If you want to secure your account and control your login devices, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your personal profile where account settings are located. Step 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the main menu, which gives you access to various options and settings. Step 3. Use the search bar at the top and type in password and security, then tap on the result when it appears. This section holds important security features for your account. Step 4. Scroll down to find the option called Where You're Logged In, then tap on it and select your Instagram account from the list. This shows all devices currently signed into your account. Step 5. You'll see a list of all devices where your Instagram account is logged in. Tap on Select Devices to log out, then choose the device or devices you want to remove access from. This helps you protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 6. Finally tap on Log Out at the bottom of the screen to log out of the selected device and hide where you're logged in. This completes the process and keeps your account secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more easy and useful tech guides.